From childhood to adolescence, adolescence to adulthood, your body is always evolving, always improving, always working to keep you smiling. As a woman, you have a right to know why are your good days good and your bad days bad. Himama is an affordable fertility monitor and app that anyone can enjoy. It offers real-time accuracy for the detection of your fertile days, finally putting the power in your hands. By tracking your core body temperature, sleeping patterns, and heart rate, Himama can calculate your true basal body temperature and ovulation days so you can focus on what matters, starting a family. With a supportive community just a heartbeat away, there's never been an easier way to change your life forever. If you don't want to get pregnant, or if you want to start growing your family tree, Himama, natural family planning at your fingertips.